Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have a live site and essential pages. Now begin Adsense enrollment. Sign in with your Google account, open Adsense, and submit your website URL. Once done, add the verification meta tag or upload the HTML file to your site root. This confirms ownership. Make sure your privacy policy and contact pages remain accessible because Adsense checks them. After verification, return to Adsense to request site review so ads can be approved, and your account progresses to the next step. With approval pending or granted, implement ad code where it performs best. Use responsive units for flexible layouts. Place primary ad slots above the fold and in content while ensuring good user experience. If you use Google Tag Manager, add the Adsense tag there to simplify updates. Once ads are live, enable auto ads to let Google optimize placements, then tweak ad balance and block unwanted categories to protect brand fit. Monitor CPC, RPM, and viewability over the first 4 weeks, and adjust placements accordingly. Finalize by completing payment details, tax info, and selecting a payment method. Google pays once you reach the payment threshold. Once live, routinely check RPM, CTR, and high-performing pages to scale effective content. Use experiments to test ad formats and placement changes. If ads don't appear, first verify your site passed review, then confirm ad code is on all pages and not blocked by robots. TXT or an ad blocker. One key troubleshooting tip. Fix any policy violations in Search Console or Adsense messages before re-requesting review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.